Imagine having a crystal-clear roadmap to your financial future. A plan so detailed and vivid that it feels almost tangible. One that speaks directly to your subconscious, guiding your thoughts and actions effortlessly. Visualization is a powerful tool that taps into the deepest parts of your mind, motivates you daily, and keeps you laser-focused on your goals. By consistently visualizing your financial success, you create a mental image that drives you forward. That's exactly what a financial vision board does. It serves as a constant reminder of your aspirations, helping you stay on track and maintain your focus. It helps you visualize success and achieve financial growth. By seeing your goals every day, you reinforce your commitment and take actionable steps towards making them a reality. Share a personal financial transformation story. Highlight how a vision board was a turning point. Demonstrate real-world application and results. Inspire viewers with tangible success. When you repeatedly visualize your goals, it activates neuroplasticity. This is the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you harness this ability. This means your brain starts creating new neural pathways. These pathways are like mental highways that make it easier for you to think and act in ways that support your goals. As a result, your brain begins to recognize opportunities that align with your goals. You start to notice things that you might have overlooked before, and you become more attuned to possibilities that can help you achieve your dreams. Essentially, it transforms abstract dreams into actionable strategies, making your goals more achievable. By consistently visualizing your goals, you train your brain to focus on what truly matters, turning your vision into reality. Emotional alignment generates positive emotions connected to financial goals. It reduces financial anxiety, fosters confidence, and creates a sense of control and possibility. Step 1. Goal excavation, uncovering your financial dreams and setting clear objectives. Step 2. Savings milestones are equally important. Focus on building an emergency fund, saving for a down payment on a home or car, contributing to retirement, and setting aside investment seed money. Let's talk about lifestyle financial goals. These can include setting up a travel fund, aiming for home ownership, making educational investments, or even pursuing entrepreneurial ventures. Now let's move on to visual research and inspiration gathering. This is a crucial step to keep you motivated and focused on your financial journey. Digital platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, Unsplash, and Canva templates can be valuable sources for images. Emotionally resonant, specific to your exact goal, high quality and inspiring, represent both emotional and practical aspects of goals. Step 3. Board design and layout. When designing your board, consider having a central focal point. Utilize color psychology to influence your mindset. Ensure there's a logical progression of your goals and leave some space for notes and tracking your progress. Step 4. Activation and interaction. Quarterly goal review. Celebration of milestones, adaptive goal modification, accountability partner or group. Vision boards are not magical thinking. They must be paired with concrete actions. It's crucial to develop corresponding action plans for each goal you set. In today's world, technology and vision boards go hand in hand. By leveraging digital tools, you can create dynamic and interactive vision boards that evolve with your goals. This integration makes it easier to visualize and achieve your aspirations. When it comes to automation and integration, goal tracking apps, financial monitoring software, and automated savings tools can streamline your journey. These resources ensure that your financial goals are always within reach. Unrealistic goal setting, lack of specificity, passive visualization, infrequent updates, and comparing to others' goals. Use AI image generators for a personalized goal visualization. With dynamic goal mapping, you can see your dreams come to life in real time. You have the power to redesign your financial future. Your vision board is your personal roadmap. Consistent action creates miraculous results. Remember, your goals are valid, your dreams are possible, your financial future is waiting. Subscribe to Money Talks with Adia for more financial insights and tips.